Hello guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Will's Kitchen Table, Chef Will is here. I'm gonna make my banana coffee bread today guys. So I just want to show you guys my recipe of my banana coffee bread. So I hope you guys jump in with me and bake this coffee banana bread, okay? I'll show you guys all the recipe that I'm using, all the ingredients that go in inside, alright? Let's get it going guys. Yes, so for the coffee banana bread, I got 4 bananas I crushed right here. And I got 2 eggs. I got a quarter cup of honey, and I got a half a cup of brown sugar right there. 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, and I got a half a cup of butter, or you can use oil. And over here I got 2 cups of flour, teaspoon of cinnamon, and this is half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, and the coffee is right there. It's instant coffee. I got 1.5 teaspoon right there. So we're gonna get our sugar in the bowl and butter, and we're gonna start beating. I'm using a mixer to do this one. I want it nice and hairy and fluffy. All right, so let's get it in the bowl. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start sieving the flour right here. Mix all this stuff inside, all the spices. This recipe is really good. Takes about an hour to bake. Okay, set that aside. Gonna get the butter right in the bowl right now. And it's nice if you get the butter room temperature. Or I said option guys, you can use oil. So I'm just gonna get my mixer. Just gonna make a little bit of noise right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the honey right inside here. It's getting nice and smooth now. Then the eggs, do one at a time. Vanilla inside. I'm gonna mix again. Then we're gonna add the banana to this right now. And we're gonna add the flour. Just add 1 cup at a time. coffee smells so good inside. So the mixture is done mixing. I just took out 2 tablespoons of it, put it inside of a little bowl right here, and I had a pinch more of the coffee to it, just to get a darker look. I'm just gonna mix it in. So we're just gonna make like a nice swirl right through it. I'm gonna pour it in there. Okay, good. So now it's all in the baking pan here. We're gonna get it right inside the oven. And I set the timer for 1 hour. So this banana coffee bread is done right now. Just gonna pop it out the oven and then cool it down, and I'll show you guys when I cut it later. So the banana bread is done. I just want to cut into it to show each and every one what it looks like. Just cut the tip right off. Beautiful. So this is the banana coffee bread, guys. Looks so moist inside. Wow. Take a good look at that. That's what we call love right there. It's beautiful. Just gonna put a piece in a plate so you guys can see that. Just take a piece right out. That's the banana coffee bread, okay? So I'm gonna have my banana coffee bread right now with a cup of coffee. I just wanna say thanks for watching again. Like and share the videos. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And thanks for watching. Catch you again.